In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!